Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing Pcsx2 so saves work reliably. First, check you're running a recent Pcsx2 build and that the game is compatible. Next, open the memcards folder in Documents /Pcsx2 or your install directory and confirm write permissions. Create or add a memcard file, PS2, and if importing, convert, PSU or max externally and place it in that folder. Once done, set the memcard slots in Pcsx2 configuration to point to the files you prepared. Now you configure Pcsx2 and perform the actual saves. Open Config, Memory Cards, and assign slot 1 or slot 2 to the memcard files you placed earlier, then enable Auto Flush if available so writes occur promptly. Boot the game and use its native save menu to write to the memcard. That ensures compatibility. You can use save states for convenience, but remember save states are separate from memcard saves. Make a copy of the memcard file after major progress, so you have a restore point. To finish, confirm your saves are committed and troubleshoot if needed. Open the memory card manager to list save files and thumbnails. If you see your save, you're done. If not, make sure the memcard file is assigned to the correct slot, that the file is writable, and that the game's region matches the memcard. If problems persist, convert or import saves using recommended external tools, replace the memcard with a known good backup, and test loading. This usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.